In outdoor maintenance, the need for welding and temporary power is essential. However, traditional solutions often rely on bulky fuel generators and tangled cables, creating obstacles. When the workload is light, this heavy and complex equipment becomes a burden, slowing you down and increasing your labor. But today, we unveil a revolution. Meet the Welding Integrated Portable Power Station from Sofimo. The game changers transforming temporary power supply forever. These cutting-edge devices harness advanced battery storage technology, merging DC and AC circuits to empower you with unprecedented freedom. Imagine handling manual welding, TIG welding, and powering all your AC appliances with a single, lightweight unit. This is no longer a dream, it's a reality. The ES series is not just about versatility. It delivers exceptional welding performance, meeting the highest precision standards to ensure flawless results every time. Why choose a Welding Integrated Portable Power Station? Explore the answers with the ES3000 as an example. First, versatility. The ES series can weld stainless steel, low carbon steel, and high carbon steel. It supports manual and TIG welding while providing reliable power for various electric tools to meet diverse process needs. Second, powerful output. With up to 5,000 watts of AC power output, it easily handles high-power equipment, giving your work the robust support it needs. Third, flexible adaptability. Compatible with all common electrode diameters, it excels in both fine welding and large structural welding. Fourth, replaceable battery design. The unique replaceable battery design ensures uninterrupted operation without limitations on battery capacity, providing flexibility and convenience. Fifth, safety and reliability. Equipped with high-precision leakage protection, it guarantees safety during on-site operations for worry-free usage. Sixth, durability. Once charged, the battery can sustain a full day's work with up to 3,000 charging cycles and a lifespan of 8 to 10 years under regular usage patterns, ensuring your long-term stable performance. Seventh, convenience. With a lightweight design and swivel wheels, the battery and unit can be transported independently, making it easy to move in various work environments and improving efficiency. Eighth, sustainability. No need for fuel. It reduces carbon emissions, featuring an efficient battery management system and eco-friendly materials that ensure long-lasting usage while minimizing environmental impact. Ninth, wide applicability. Whether for outdoor activities, emergency backup, or industrial applications, the ES series provides stable power support. This is the dawn of a new era in power. With a range of models available, the ES series is designed to meet your unique power needs, putting the perfect solution right at your fingertips. Join us as we usher in a new age of power where possibilities are limitless. Experience the future of welding with the ES series portable power stations. Transform the way you work and leave the constraints behind.